new to me. No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Gotta humble shit, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
Being for me is how y'all sit over there chopping it up instead of just getting this homework done so we can go do what we need to do.
That's what we doing.
Okay. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Octavia Darling. So as you can see, your girl is currently in Orlando, and I may look super tired and beat right now, and that's because y'all I have been up all day long since like 2 a.m. It's currently 10:22, no, 10:24, and I just got back from the Orlando Magic game, which was very entertaining.
Good job, guys.
Good job, Jack.
Now I'm just sitting here chilling, waiting for my mom and my brother to finish what they're doing, because then we need to make a Walmart run. But yeah, all in all, I'm feeling good, y'all. Feeling great. But I wanted to check in with y'all and just let y'all know, y'all, I miss living in Florida so bad. Some of y'all don't know, I used to live here. I used to go to college here, and I lived here for like 10 years. Florida is really giving me the vibe, like it's giving me that home vibe that I always used to receive. So don't be surprised if I just, well, you know. But yeah, we gonna go to Walmart soon. to get a gift bag for these baby shower gifts. I didn't even tell y'all I'm here for my brother's baby shower. My other brother, one of my brothers. I have a few brothers, but one of my brothers' baby showers. That's why I'm here. And today was fun. My mom and I got a lot of gifts for my new nephew. So I'm excited to celebrate tomorrow and to just shower my brother and his girl and their baby with love. So yeah, but anyways, when we get back, y'all, I am going to knock out. I need to get some rest, and I've been working real hard, so I need some rest. But I will check y'all in the rise.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. Give you that black car. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Niggas say, no limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. Give you that ghetto D, girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. So if you've never been, girl, I would just love to take you there. You don't have to worry about a thing. I gotta let me show you better than no, just a name. You be my soldier.
Grand Rising, y'all, and happy Saturday. As you can see, your girl is in her chill, relaxing clothes today. But can we just give a pause and a round of applause for the body? Because the body is given. And I just want to let you know, I am not sucking in. I am not sucking in, y'all. My workouts are paying off. If you remember in my recent videos, I had briefly mentioned how, I'm getting back into my zone and my element as far as working out and everything like that. And that I'm just, allowing my body to get back into the groove of things. And I just want to say, great job, Octavia, because you have been putting in the work and you have been super committed. So I'm really happy about that. But I'm feeling great, looking great, and yeah. But anyways, I just finished doing my morning pages, as you can see, and I'm telling y'all, I'm feeling really good. I had to check my energy this morning because it was not giving, y'all. Like, I wasn't giving, and for personal reasons. But what I really love about me is that I am at a place in my spiritual journey where I have the awareness of when I need to check myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can check myself like this. Like, I can tell when something is completely off. And I'm just glad that I have the ability to show myself grace in that sense. So yes, this is a morning where I'm hyping myself up for real because your girl has been growing, not just physically, but spiritually, mentally, and emotionally as well. But yes, I am up dressed right now. This is what I'm wearing just for the first half of today. I'm about to go and get me some breakfast here shortly with my mom and brother. I am opting in for either an acai bowl, smoothie bowl, or an actual smoothie or natural juice. Keeping it very light today because later on I am going to my brother's baby shower and it's going to be like at a steakhouse. So I know I'll probably be eating a little bit heavier later, so I'm not going to eat super heavy this morning. But speaking of food, y'all, I just want to hype myself up again because do you know how much commitment it takes to stick to your like dietary restrictions, your health goals, your fitness goals when you're traveling? Like, you have to be hella committed in order to do that. But I want to hype myself up because your girl is in her bag. She ain't playing no games. She ain't making no excuses. She doing what she needs to do to get to where she needs to be. Period. I love this energy right now. I love this energy that I'm exuding. I'm going to hype myself up because if you don't hype yourself up, who will? But yeah, so I'm sticking to my 75 hard or soft. So yeah, I'm sticking to my 75 soft commitment. I have been super consistent with that, but let me sit y'all down so I can talk a little bit more about that. So yeah, like I was saying, I have been sticking to my 75 soft commitment and challenge. And y'all, I just want to let y'all know, even though it's been, I have to look back at my tracker when I get back to the house, but it's been about maybe a week and a half now, I want to say. But even though it's been like that short period of time, I can definitely identify with the changes in my life and the positive impacts that I've been making in my life and things like that, and how it's really been benefiting me. So I am super, super hype about that. And yeah, so if you're thinking about doing the 75 hard challenge to implement healthy habits and to just definitely change your life around for the better, then this is your sign to do so. But anyways, y'all, I'm about to head out for breakfast. I'm getting called right now to get downstairs, so I will check in with y'all soon.
Did you ever wonder? Yeah, do you ever wonder what he might be going through on his own and the demons that he's facing alone? I hate that sometimes I can't go home and it just ain't the same on the phone, no. But everybody's gotta go, don't they? Yes, we do. So if you need a hero, just look in the mirror. No one's gonna save you now, so you better save yourself. And everybody's hurting, everybody's going through it, but you just can't give up now, cause you gotta save yourself. Yeah, I gotta hang on. The sun will come out, nothing good ever comes easy. I know time to run.
All right, it's on the timer. 10 seconds. Let's do it again. Everybody do a silly face. Okay, another one. I couldn't think of a silly face.
I just crossed my eyes.
Because my face is kind of silly. Everybody do mom's favorite pose. All right.
Very American of you, Mom.
Very American.
Apparently.
Winners don't quit, don't you give up. The sun will come out, but we've been struggling endlessly. Someday we'll find love. 'Cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom.
It may not mean nothing to y'all, but understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall, and telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local.
Did you like the food?
Yeah, the food's pretty good. I really like the salmon.
Oh yeah, the salmon was good.
I had salmon and salad. It's pretty good.
And what else?
Vegetables and potatoes. I ate a little bit of everything except for the grilled chicken.
Oh, okay.
I didn't eat any of that. But then there's food over here in this thing too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to come over there and eat the
Okay.
eat my plate and after I put this stuff together.
We got some what's the name in here? Cake pops.
Oh, okay.
Couple of those. And your cookies are in here. Popcorn.
Oh.
Hopefully they didn't get broken. Like there was nothing in there.
Yeah, I wanted to take a picture of those. I'm not gonna eat those. I just want to take a picture of those.
Oh, Lord, they say.
What?
I mean, one of them got cracked a little bit.
Which one?
The big one, you can't tell.
Which, is it the one that says his name? Because that's the main one.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Is that, oh, you said that's why you got it?
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat them.
Oh, okay.
I figured you would probably like some.
I might.
You tried it yet?
No, I figured I'd bring it here and then when I got in the room, relax.
Relax and then try it. Okay, y'all. Well, I'm vlogging.
Oh. Want me to close the door?
No. Okay, y'all. Well. So I just got back from the baby shower festivities and it was so nice. I know I didn't capture that much footage, but that's mainly because it was like a very like intimate type of event and I didn't just want to be walking around vlogging and stuff like that. So I wanted to take time to fully enjoy the moment, but y'all can see my shirt. Let me show y'all the back. Auntie taking the house. Yeah, but it was super nice. I enjoyed it. It's always nice being around my brothers and just being around people that are full of love and light. That's my kind of vibe. So it was just an enjoyable time. So I'm excited for my new nephew to come. But right now I am just packing my bag because I head back to Chicago in the Rise. And just packing my bag. Then I'm going to just chill out with Dawn, aka my mom, here shortly. And yeah, just cool out for the rest of the evening. But I just want to do a nice little weekend vlog for you guys. Bring y'all along with me as I enjoy myself here in Orlando. But I'm going to close out this vlog. And I'll see y'all in the next video.